welcome back to your channel, family. So let me show y'all. Okay, wait, I'm about to burn up my food. Hold up. Frying me some bacon. Not bacon, bologna, I'm sorry. Happy Friday. So today is my slumber party. And I'm about to start a fire. Hold up. Take that off. So let me show y'all what I got. So you know I was supposed to decorate it for the grandkids, right? Let me just show y'all my fall stuff that I got for my fall decor. And I ain't doing no more than this. That is it. And in orange. Can you believe that? I'm so into fall right now. I'm totally in the fall mood. So I got these two little orange velvet pumpkin, the traditional orange, for $4.99 from Burlington Coat. Okay? That's for fall. And I'm going to put it over there. I did grab, because I have to, traditional orange, gathered together with love. And then this is our happy home. And for this, we are forever grateful. I'm going to put these in the bathroom, actually. Those are going in the bathroom. And these will go in here. So I got that. And this little pumpkin dish for $5.99. Just to put candy and stuff in like that. Look, go get you some. Okay.
Oh, let me check. I got to. Let me get up and over here.
Some fragrant sashes. That, look, you get, let me tell you, this is cool. I always see these, but I never really pick them up like that. So you get three of this kind, right? 3 of those. Then you get 3 of those, the big wide ones, and then 3 of these. You get all of those for $4.99. And when I tell you, this is everything fall. You can put these under your couch cushions, just behind stuff, in stuff, just perfect for the fall, okay? And you know Sharon wasn't going nowhere without her candles, honey. This is Gingerbread Holiday. Everything orange. And pumpkin peppercorn. Ooh. Okay, sorry about that. Did you see this one? Oh, let me see which one. Let me scoot you back. Wait a minute. Did I show you this one last before the phone rang? The pumpkin peppercorn? Okay, yeah. All these were $7.99. Yeah. All of them were $7.99, okay? Just thank me later, okay? Just go get it. Thank me later. Pumpkin wishes in the color orange. I'm so into the fall colors. Like, y'all know, I'm a very neutral girl, but let's sprinkle some orange to bring some color into my gray paradise. $7.99. This, everything is just, okay, all the way. So now let me show you some of the stuff I'm going to put on my menu. Hold up. Okay, so I'm going to make a cheese board, right? This is from Aldi's. So it's an Italian dry salami. And then I got the already prepared variety pack of pepper. This is pepperoni. Let me see. This one is whatever that name is there. Okay, that's this one right here. And it's wrapped in mozzarella cheese. And then this one is the hard salami from Aldi. So if you want to do a cheese board and you don't want to be doing all of this yourself, you can just do this and this. And then I got some grapes. I got this because I just cut it and eat it like throughout, you know, just whenever. But this is cranberry cinnamon goat cheese. Look at that. I've never tried this before. So this cheese board for this one is going to be something new for me. And then I got roasted garlic with tomato and basil to go on the board. Whatever this one is. I'm excited to try that. Jalapeno. And this one right here. So that's going to go on the cheese board. And then I got me some pickled beets just because I like pickled beets. That's just a fall thing too, I think. Okay, and then I'm going to make some homemade apple turnover. So I got biscuits, and I'm going to put this on there as the cream, right? This is also going on my cheese board. Instead of like crackers, I want to do the pita bread, the pita chips. So I have the this brand, this flavor, Parmesan, garlic, and herb, and then sea salt. And those Kit Kats is what I'm going to put on this little tray right here. And then I'm going to put it at the door. Just cute pumpkin, you know. And then I got some for my little treat thing right there. I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in that. I think it's so cute. Nothing stays in that treat thing long at all, by the way. So we're just going to decorate for fall. Let me show you this. I'm going to just put this right here at the door. And then I'm going to change out my my candle too, so we can do that. So let's get, let me take the tags off of those, but let's get this one right here. Ooh. Ooh-wee. This one is going to go here. I like this one. Let me get my, let's go get, oh, look. I got these. Oh, let me show you this. Hold up. Oh, my God. Let me show you. Look it. Okay, so this got to go in the fridge. That is pumpkin spice latte. I'm totally embracing the fall. Okay, but look at this. Oh, my God. This is my fall drinks. Look at this. This is from Aldi's, okay? Aldi's. Okay, thank me later. And then I got this one. Okay, totally fall. And then this one from Aldi's. Pumpkin spice. What is this? Okay. And then this one is sober fitting. This is sweet red. Oh my goodness. Cute packaging. And then of course I got this for over here on the bar area. And I'm going to have to make room for my new stuff there. So let's put this, look at him. He will not be at the pajama party, okay? It's for girls only. Alright, so then I got some wings. I'm going to do wings. Also, wings and, meatballs. And I'll show you all of that, but always have something for your guests, okay? Let me, cut the tags off of these. Hold on, let me cut the tags off. Okay, see, look at my, my fall decor. That's it. That's all I'm doing. My granddaughter made this one, Kai, and then I just showed you those. Okay. That's it.